Hello everyone. It's really awkward when I try to say something and okay, I'm just gonna keep on talking. Hey, it's me again. I'm really trying to figure out what contents I'm gonna put in a vlog. My main point of putting on this vlog. The main point of putting on these vlogs, I just want to learn more about video editing, color grading, and I don't want to be lazy, like doing something like I want to create something, and I need your help. Okay, I have a lot of things in mind to cut. Okay, next. Okay, yes. Anyway, back to the point. Yeah, I'm trying to start. I've been starting to vlog, but I have a lot of files, a lot of videos, a lot of photos, a lot of content in this 16 terabyte hard drive, and I need time, and I need to create. I need to put it in the computer and let it out in the open. But yeah, it's really tough. Yeah, it's tough. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to get it. But anyway, I'm using this camera right now. I used to use this 70D, which I'm filming now. It's a very good camera. It's a really good camera. Good autofocus. It's just too big. So I usually carry my 5D Mark II when I do photo walks, travel around the city, and do a lot of stuff. I take a lot of photos, and I have a lot of them there. But I want to venture into doing vlogs, videos, interactive. I don't want to say something. I just want to create something out from video. And with that, you're gonna need a lot of things. Like you need to know how to edit. You need to know what to say, like what your content is, what you want to give to your subscribers. I wish I have subscribers out there. Anyway, I'm using this camera right now. It's an RX 100, which is very small, very light, shoots 4K, though I don't use 4K, and it has the S-Log, Sony log. It's a really good camera. Oh, by the way, that's lights are reflecting. That's 70D. Lights are reflecting. Oh yeah, I'm using that nice light for my lighting there. Although I know how to arrange lights, I'm just too lazy now. I just wanna create something. I'm gonna start with a vlog, which what I did last Thursday. So I just want to show you what happened last Thursday. And cut. And I'm just chucking everything that I can see or can film for now, because I don't have any idea what I'm doing as of now. But it's slowly forming. It's slowly coming up. I just had one good mini movie earlier, which was the Sucky Trains, but that was my experience. And I also have a Metallica shirt. Can you show them a Metallica shirt? Can you show them a Metallica shirt? Yes, one of the things you can buy in Kmart is this cool Metallica shirt. Go lower. Let's see the name Metallica. Yes, this is my model. Okay, you can go back. This is my shirt. Good. Go there. Go back. Now you're done. And that's what you can get from Kmart. You can get the Batman boxers. Yes. Yeah, so I'll be ending the vlog here, and I'll be thinking of new concepts or new things to post. Right now I'm still in the dark of what to post, because I have no idea where to start. Now I have a brief idea. Yes, have to end the vlog here for now because I still don't have any content or storyline to put, but I'm just trying to chuck everything that I have. And travel could give and take, like kung travel ka, you're gonna enjoy the travel, you're gonna show everybody about what you're traveling, but the thing is, at the same time, you need to put time into it, and you don't have any time. Like,
yeah, because I just want because we don't do anymore.
That is the reason why. Yeah, I don't do a lot of filming when I travel. I do a lot of photos before, but no, because my model doesn't smile in the camera. I can just see her. Yeah. And if you're lucky enough, she's looking away and there's a good view, you can take the photo. So I have a lot of videos here when we were trekking and she was swearing. I'm gonna show you that to you soon. Yes, she will be swearing. Yeah. And you're gonna see a lot of. I'll have some footages from JM when he was using his GoPro on our Tassie trip. I'll be showing some footages on our New Zealand trip. I can find some good ones. Our old Sydney photos and everything. Yeah, we have an upcoming Perth in Uluru. I hope I can. Yeah, people in Uluru, people in Perth, see you there. We're gonna have a good time. Yeah, I only have the ticket. You don't have a ticket yet. And hopefully in the near future, I could give you a good vlog. And I'm asking for your help. Comment below what you want to see. What do I need to do to improve? Or what you want to see, or what? Of doing these vlogs is, number one, for me to learn to edit, utilize my time to edit videos. Number two, show you some photos. Number three, learn to color grade. And number four, to show you around Melbourne, show you around anywhere I've been, travel and everything, or show you what I do in a day, like what happens in a day in my life. Why would I show you that? Just want to. Anyway, if you have any suggestions, if you have anything to bring up, if you have any concerns, or if you hate me talking, please comment below, comment on top. Yeah, pretty cool.